for helping us explain. So, okay, so when anybody wants to know how these work, so basically I always say, if you're right-handed, right, you want to put the ring on the hand that's your dominant hand. So are you righty or lefty?
Right.
So that's how it would go on. So you can put it on and see how it's like adjustable in length. Right, so you can adjust, and then adjust it to wherever you want it to be. Right, you're like, it can be, I have mine on, you can have it go up way high, you can put it behind, you can put it way down low. But what I really like is, I don't like anything with clasps. So this way you never have to clasp it to change the length. So, then I'll show you how it works. I just swung mine around. So basically, it's a pendulum, right? You can think of it like a pendulum, you can use it, you can dowse if you want to. But I really like it as a tool for emotion regulation. So essentially hold it at the little area, yeah, exactly. And then you can just kind of give it a gentle swing in a circle if you want. And then just kind of either let it swing by itself, and see, do you feel how that swing, you can feel the swing at your, kind of at your whole chest, basically. Right, so you give it a swing, and then you kind of just let it swing. And what it's doing is it's doing kind of that little rocking that we do with babies. Right, it's kind of like your heart rate will sync up, and it feels essentially, and we're going to do some research on this, we'll get actual data. But essentially what happens is it's this like little regulating tool that helps your body feel like you're not alone. So it's as if I'm behind you. Does it feel good?
It does.
So this is the thing that I really like. This is why I want to do some research around it. But you can feel how your heart rate starts to be like, and you just feel really soothed. So you can do it at any length, right? My sister just swings the pendulum like this. You're welcome to do it like that too, obviously. But I really like doing it like this because you kind of just give it a swing and then it just goes. Right? And then you feel that really calm. And you can even think of it like a glitter jar. So as the pendulum, you stop kind of like doing anything, the pendulum will start to slow, and it's like the glitter settling at the bottom. And the cool thing about it is you have it on with you all the time. So whenever I'm in traffic and I'm getting like mean, I'll just give it a swing. And it's just like I can feel myself take a deep breath, right? Does that make sense? You like it?
I do.
I love that you like it. Makes me really happy. Is there anything that you're like, what about this?
I mean, I'm just feeling really calm.
I'm glad you should wear one all day. Maybe this can
And
be
then
like
so like usually when it's resting, like you do whatever. Is there like a better place for it? Like should it be on your heart or?
Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, you can have it pointed at your heart, right? I always just like it wear my shirt, depending on my shirt. I don't really wear low-cut shirts very often, but you know, sometimes you might want it there if your shirt's lower cut. And I really like it because it doesn't look like something that's like emotion hygiene or emotion regulation, but I kind of think of it like a medical device. You know what I mean? Something you can do to slow your heart rate down, especially, you know, when we're getting in reactive modes, we don't have much kind of around us that can soothe us. It's like you could walk around with your whoopee, or you know, like a rocking chair. Like if I had one of those baby chairs, you know, that's kind of how I think of it. It's like an adult, you know, kind of under the radar version of basically one of those little rocking chairs. Right? Does that make sense?
Yeah, totally.
You like it? It feels good?
It does.
Isn't it crazy how much you can feel it?
Yeah. That's fascinating.
So instead of you know, when people do any sort of penduluming, they're kind of developing the muscle of finding their own intuition, right? And it's kind of like a tool to help you know what you want. And I think of this too, it's like a tool to help you be able to soothe yourself. So the idea isn't that you need to always wear a necklace, but like let's say you're going into an environment that you know is a little stressful, you know you can swing the necklace and it won't look like you're soothing yourself. It's not like you know what I mean? Like you can't suck your thumb in public, or you can't like pat yourself and be like, good job. So you can self-soothe.
It's like a fidget spinner for adults.
But it soothes. But it's
and much cuter.
And much cuter. I don't understand. The fidget spinners feel like they do something, but I don't think they soothe you.
I have no idea. You would have to ask like a 12-year-old child why they fidget spin.
Can you pretend to be a 12-year-old child? I don't get it because I'm like, it just keeps you there. So yeah, I really want them to be for